Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to view the CVV number on your Bajaj EMI card online in 2025. So step 1, open your browser and go to bajajfinserv.in, or you can launch the Bajaj Finserv wallet app if you have one. Step 2, log in using your registered mobile number and OTP. If you are on the website, go to the EMI network card section from your dashboard. Step 3. Click on the View Cards details and you will see the card number and expiration date. To view the CVV, you will need to authenticate again. Step 4. Click the Show CVV and enter the OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number or email for security verification. Step 5. After successful OTP verification, your CVV number will be displayed temporarily on your screen. Step 6. Copy or note it down securely and avoid sharing your CVV information. And now you can see your Bajaj MEI card CVV online whenever you need it for secured payments. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.